Most people would say thank you. Nova, how long have you been on your phone? Could I check your history? Okay, I'll check it from here. Shopping fine, not unusual. Maybe a bit excessive. Your posts on Spacegram. Breakfast after 1 bite, 2 bites, 3 bites, my fork, my knife. Breakfast interrupted by my sister. Breakfast still being interrupted. Nova, this is too much, and it's a bad idea us not telling the fans you're sick. If you keep posting like this, they'll only want more from you. You can't talk or sing. No cancelling. Last time we cancelled, it was the end of the world. I remember that whole planet just gave up. I know, you think it's fake and horrible, but maybe we can hold the concert and you can mime.
Can we be together forever? Where are you now? Can we be together forever? I'm searching the crowd.
And it's a no to miming.
Flagging flops usually pass after a few days. I looked up losing your voice too. Should be back in a week.
New apps available. Vocal Switch. Swap voices with your friends.
Nova, I'm telling you, get too hooked on your device like that and you're asking for a headlong fall.
Vocal Switch on.
No, I forbid it. The show must go on.
Hey, Vocal Switch works.
Oh, can I borrow your voice for a bit? Just swap with me for now.
Vocal Switch off.
Nova, no, you can't perform. You need this vocal switch app just to talk. Sid's injured, doing that. Captain!
What? I mean, aye.
Take us to Planet
The relaxation and recuperation world.
Yes, Nova needs time off while her voice gets better.
No problemo. I know where we are now. Course changed. Off we go. What? I mean, aye.
Vocal Switch on.
Turn the ship around. Set course for the Invisible Apes concert venue. I'm gonna rock it.
Course changed. McLaren?
Vocal Switch off.
Cancel that. Take us to Planet
Oh, course changed.
Vocal Switch on.
Take us to the concert right now, or I'll do a tantrum.
Yeah, you will, little McLaren tantrum, bless.
Quick, run up behind him.
Vocal Switch on.
No, take us to Planet Earth. Give me that, stop it. Ah!
Vocal Switch on.
Take us to the Invisible Ape concert.
Aye, turning back. Wait, what? No, we're going to, If you say so, Sid. No!
Stop it!
Stop it, give me a
Vocal Switch on. Vocal Switch on.
This kitchen is not up to my high standards.
Vocal Switch off.
My voice! Nova, please stop.
Vocal Switch on.
Ha! Sid's voice. That'll do. I win!
Never mind, I can still cancel the Invisible Apes concert. I just need to contact the venue and the ticket holders and... God, boring!
Yes.
Nova might be a bit rusty, but she's the most charismatic music star in the universe. There must be some way she can beat Johnny and achieve her deep spiritual acting goal.
He's hopeless. She's helpless.
Wait, I know who will have some wisdom for us. Kid songwriter!
Nova. KS, I need to achieve my dream of being a triple threat.
Sing, dance, and now act. Help me.
Nova, the song of achievement is built from the notes of inspiration, the chords of hard work, and underneath, a beat, the rhythm of a raw talent.
See, I just need to work hard.
No, you should give up.
I should what, Blop?
Stick to singing and dancing. You're great at those.
Finally, some sense. These girls are crazy.
Nova, it's okay not to be good at something.
I don't think I've ever seen him walk anywhere. Right, Nova, you're filming your Big Jenny Forever scene in an hour. You can do the sensible thing, stick to singing and cancel the scene, or...
And action! You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
No. This isn't a rehearsal. Full performance, please. Action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. Will there be a secret superhero base behind me? Because I said I wanted my character to be super.
She's a meteorologist.
a weather scientist.
But she could be a super-powered meteorologist.
Whatever. If it helps you, just do the line.
Yes, see, just needed my motivation. I will look like a superhero. Ready?
And action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
Be emotional. Is my speaker on? Can she hear me? Can you hear me?
1 second.
Nova, how's it going? I think I'm acting brilliant.
You are, but they want some more feeling. Like, remember how you really dislike green gummies?
Yes.
And remember when you were on tour that time and found a green gummy inside your orange gummy bowl?
Yes, that was awfulicious.
She's ready. Go, now.
Action.
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. I don't like being laughed at.
Well, if you appear in this film, you'll soon get used to it.
You are my light, you hear my call. You make it right, catch me when I fall. And when we fight, we let it go. You make it right, you help me to grow. Don't need nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable. And no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, our love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? 'Cause I'm stronger, stronger by your side. It's just you and I. Shine so bright. We're gonna light up the night sky, and the stars will ride. Together forever, we're sisters for life.
So, your fault. I told you these messages would go wrong. Okay. This is bad. Could be worse.
We interrupt your freak accident with news. This morning's wave of amazing events is officially not funny anymore. With everywhere named Nova, no one knows where they are. Traffic jams have reached gigantic proportions. Inhabitants of the People System regret their decision to move their stars to form a portrait of Nova. And the Prime Minister of Sensible's been taken to hospital with severe Nova-related dance exhaustion. Doctors say it's touch and go. And then head tilt, shoulder pop, and slide.
Nova!
What, Blop? I didn't tell people to go and do all that.
No, you just influence them. You need to apologise, Nova. And then we need to fix all this. Somehow.
I suppose I could do another secret fixifying message. Do what I say and be boring like McLaren says, but I'm not apologising. Calling Kids Song.
No. No more messages. You have done enough. Now, leave this to me.
Shan't. You always send me away when there's trouble. I'm staying put.
Fine. Unless... maybe you'd enjoy a nice hot bath.
Yes. I want a bath. I'm off to have a lovely smelling, super comfy bath, and you can't stop me.
Wouldn't dream of it. Make way. Bath time. Yes.
Sid! Where's Captain?
Oh, Captain!
swimming.
Oh. McLaren knows. He's in her room.
How dare she re-steal everyone? New plan. You're going to help me re-steal them back. McLaren might know about No Nova Club, but she doesn't know that I know that she knows about No Nova Club. Keep it that way. Understood?
Nova, I'm ready.
For what?
To, you know, become a piano.
Calling kid songwriter. So, Boulder, I need you to turn kid songwriter into a piano.
You look like you've been through it. My sister, I understand.
Nova! Gluing kid songwriter. You stay there. I'm hunting normalites. Oh, sis. How was the workout? Hello, sister. It's going so good, but I was just headed to yours.
Okay. Why so? If you don't mind me asking, dear sister.
To, borrow a book. I'm going to do what people do with books. Read.
Sid, you look like you're drowning.
It's lies. All lies. Nova thought McLaren set up a No Nova Club where everyone except Nova hangs out. But it's not McLaren's fault. We all just ended up there, didn't we? And McLaren thought it was fine because Nova was having her own fun with Boulder. And we all found his sessions a bit... Nova secretly tried to get everyone back, and McLaren found out. And she secretly tried to get everyone back, and Nova found out. And I was sworn to secrecy by Nova and McLaren. But I can't keep it in anymore. And last week I ate that last chocolate biscuit. It didn't fall into the Jefferson rubbish chute. And now Nova and McLaren are in the corridor.
You did eat that biscuit, huh?
You stole my Boulder. You stole my party. Ha! So it was a party, and my party was better. Your workout wasn't supposed to be a party. No wonder Boulder would rather be at mine. He'd rather be at mine. Boulder! Boulder! Boulder!
Pick me, I throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, he's not going anywhere.
You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I throw the best party. Don't be so persistent. Really, I'm insistent. You know that you can't resist her. He'll pick me the better sister. We don't need to fight. You know that I'm always right. Now you're just exaggerating. Sorry, you're just irritating. You know you don't always have to have your own way.
Oh, in my dreams.
You should know I always have to have the final say. Pick me, I throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, you're really starting to annoy me.
You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I throw the best party. Pick me, 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 pick me.
No, but you can't just let me have this one moment. You always have to spoil. McLaren, he clearly wants to be at my party. I'm the superstar, remember?
Pick me, I throw the best party. Just come with me and see.
McLaren, he's not going anywhere.
You know it's no contest. You know I do it best. Pick me, I throw the best party.
So?
Don't mean to fuss or grumble, but if I don't train, I'm gonna crumble.
Boulder!